Hey guys, welcome to this video. This is Nancy with nancyjoseph.com, where I take your fashion and your beauty struggles and I give you solutions in 90 seconds. Today we're going to get crafty and I'm going to show you how to refashion a t-shirt. Okay, so I've already taken my shirt and I folded it in half right here. Most of the t-shirt is over here off to the side, and right here all I have is just the front. So what I'm trying to do is to create a, I'm going to cut in a V-neck here, and then I'm going to cut off the hem on the sleeves, and then on the bottom I'm going to take away the hem as well, just to refashion this t-shirt for a different look. So here we go. I've got my scissors, and my starting point is going to be about right here, and I'm just going to take a little snip here. Woo, nervous, nervous, nervous. Here we go. Alrighty. There we go, there we go. Just to that point. Then what I'm going to do is keeping this here. Watch that. See that? How I've created this little V-neck here? Stay tuned for the finished product. Thanks, guys, for watching. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.